See, the length of the train is 350 meters. The length of the train is 350 meters and the platform length is 150 meters. So the train should travel from, suppose it is the starting point. So it should travel from here to here. No, so that means it should cross the entire train should cross the platform. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Platform plus train 150 plus 350. Total it should travel how many kilometers? How much meters?
360.
500 meters. 150 plus 350. 500 meters.
500.
Okay. So the distance it should travel is 500 meters. And what is the speed? 70 kilometer per hour. But they have given in meters, but the speed is kilometer per hour. So what we have to do? Convert into
Meters.
meter per second. So in the previous problem I said when you are converting, what we have to do? When you are converting kilometer per hour to kilometer per hour to meter per second, we have to multiply with 5 by 18.
Yes, sir.
So 5 by 18. So what will be the speed? 315 by 18 meter per second. So time is equals to, what is the speed is equals to distance by time. Time is equals to distance by speed. So time is equals to distance is 500 meters divided by 350 by 18. So we can write time as 500 into 18 by 350. John, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
So 0 0 will get cancelled. 5 tens are and 5 sevens are. So what is the time? Time is equals to 180 by 7 seconds. Means time will be how much? Do the division. 7 2s are 14, 40, 7 5s are 35, 5.0, 7 7s are 49. That means time is equals to 25.7 seconds approximately. So like 26 seconds approximately. Done?
Sir, like approximately is okay, right?